let me tell you a story. 2 stories! We've got black Rhino rims with the Nitto Ridge grapplers on that. The Agile lift kit. Around front, we got the CA2 in front bumper with the worn winch. Around the side, the Van Speed pop-outs, Lost Saguaro tire carriers, the Owl Vans Monster Box. Look how big that is. Dueling one-up bike trays just above that. In the garage, additional storage space, and of course, your outdoor shower. All right, now the inside story. Front and center jump seat. The Van Wife headliner shelf. That does have the privacy curtain on it. A lagoon table. Of course, it folds out. An additional captain's chair. This absolutely decadent tiled shower. And it has a secret. And this cupboard down here is the Lavio dry flush. It's been installed on heavy duty slides. Easily slides out and back in. You can tuck away all your secrets. Drawer space, overhead cabinets. This one's housing the Starlink. This beautiful dinette changes into a bed. TV on a swivel. Additional drawer space. A stainless steel fridge freezer combo. Double induction cooktop. 1 microwave. And the pop-up extended countertop. But wait, there's more, because this van has a pop top. Easy as pie to get in. All right, join me up here. This is nice. All right. Thanks for joining me on this week's Van Tour Tuesday. We will see you next week.